it's Lizzie from Old Stables Crafts. Thank you very much for joining me again today. Oh, I've just realised I can adjust this so that we can come out a bit more. That's better. Right, so this, in case you have forgotten, is the annual catalogue. Do you remember the annual catalogue? It's that thing we had from the beginning of June. I think I'm right in saying June. Yes, 1st of June. It runs to the 3rd of June next year. And we kind of forget about it as soon as the autumn-winter catalogue comes out. But look at it, it's huge! All of this goodness is in the annual catalogue. And just so that we all remember that there is an annual catalogue, Stampin' Up! Are celebrating Black Friday with a 6-day sale. That's 6 whole days in which almost everything from the annual catalogue will be discounted. Now it starts today, and there are going to be 3 separate sales, each running for 2 days. So today, Friday, we are looking at paper and embellishments, and that includes bags, brads and buttons, cards and envelopes, cardstock, designer series paper, embossing material, glitter, ribbons, twine, specialty paper, tags and washi tape. So all of that will be included in the sale that runs today and tomorrow. So let's have a little look. So we start back here. Well, we start, dare I say, with all our lovely colours. So anything that is a colour that isn't ink, so all of the cardstock is in the sale. All of the designer series paper, including the lovely laser cut, including Under the Mistletoe. Under the Mistletoe, it's Christmas, so bear that in mind. We've got some Christmas in the sale as well, but all of this is included in the sale. We've also got all of the foils, the glimmer paper, just checking, yep, foils and glimmer paper, boxes, bags, so all of that good stuff, card packs, cards and envelope packs, embellishments, buttons, washi tape, all of that good stuff, all the ribbon, all the twine. And then we come on to colouring tools, so those are not included. Yeah, so I think that's probably where we stop for the moment. But yeah, all of that good stuff is included in the sale for today and tomorrow. So all of this lovely, lovely stuff. So clearly we want to fill our boots with that because it's 10% off. So why wouldn't you? Now I thought I would show you a card, a Christmas card I have made using the Merry Mistletoe. Sorry, Merry Mistletoe, Under the Mistletoe, Under the Mistletoe, and the Mistletoe Season Stamp Set. This will be available later in the sale, but this uses the Under the Mistletoe Designer Series paper. It uses glimmer paper, it uses pearls, and it uses the real red cotton ribbon. So, oh, and of course, real red cardstock and Whisper white cardstock. So, apart from the stamps and the ink, everything that I used to make this card is included in the sale. Oh, and the punches, the dies. If I had a brain, I'd be dangerous, wouldn't I? So the consumables are all included in the sale. So I'm hoping that you will take advantage of this. Do remember, I've also got my birthday prize giveaway. So if you order from me and use the host code, then for every £30 you spend in November, and that's throughout the whole of November, you will be given an entry to the prize draw, and the prize draw is for a set of many marvellous markers. So why wouldn't you want to have a go at that? So thank you very much indeed for watching. All the details are on my blog, which is linked immediately below. Then hop over to my online store and you'll be able to see what's included in the sale for today and tomorrow. Do bear in mind that Stampin' Up! Have put a limit on all the items that are on sale. So once that limit is met, the item will be taken down from sale and won't be available again until after the sale. So don't hang around just because you've got 2 full days. If everybody else is looking for the same designer series paper, then you may miss out. So don't hang around, make the most of it and do it early. Thank you very much indeed for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again very soon.